Step into the 2000 Daewoo Laganza. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are bucket seats, rear bench seat, child safety locks, heated mirrors, power steering, front-wheel drive, AM/FM stereo, and pass-through rear seat. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.